Cosenza. I am the attorney for the estate of TEOFILA ACOSTA, and I have my applicant with me, Ivan Mesta.
Ms. Mesta and the other witness that is there or witnesses, please raise your right hand so I can swear you in.
Yeah, I'm going to turn this around if you don't mind.
That's fine.
Or you could see Ivan, and then I have Mr. Zepeda Sierra also going to come in. Can you see?
Okay.
Is it on Zoom?
Or if you want to stand up, Ms. Mesta, or put the camera down. Do each of you solemnly swear that the testimony you're about to give in this case is the truth of the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay. If you want to remain standing, or if you want to sit down, if you want to put the camera down.
Yeah,
Mr.
I'll adjust the camera. You can
Thank
have a
you.
seat.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to adjust the camera.
Right there.
Okay, perfect.
Go ahead, Mr. Consenza.
Please state your name.
Ivan Mesta.
And what was your relationship to Teofilo Acosta?
She was my mother.
And did she die on about February 19, 2022 in El Paso County, Texas?
That's correct.
And she was a resident of El Paso County, Texas at or before her death.
Yes.
And she was 97 years old?
Correct.
Okay, and I am going to show, Your Honor. Sorry, Your Honor. This is the will that we filed with the court. And I'm going to show it to her. Was that the will that you gave me for the court, a copy?
Yes, it is.
And what is the date of that will?
It's the 28th of September 2010.
Okay, and looking at this will on the last page, was that her signature?
Yes, it is.
And this was a copy of a will, correct?
Correct.
And throughout all the years, you were your mother's executor, correct?
Yes.
And you helped her with her affairs?
Yes.
And you guys have always believed for years and years that this was the original will.
Yes.
And then I pointed out it was a copy.
Correct.
And you guys have looked for a copy, you've checked out everywhere, and you just could not locate the original.
That's correct.
But your mother always believed she had an original will and that she would have never have revoked this will.
Yes.
Okay. And she never had any children born to her after this will was made.
No.
She didn't get divorced after this will was made.
No.
And then in 2010, in September, when she made this will, was she at least 18 years of age and sound mind?
Yes.
And it hasn't been 4 years since her death.
No.
And is the state of Texas or any charity named in this will?
No.
Is there a necessity for the administration of the estate?
No.
No.
Yes.
Okay, we have to do this, right?
Yes.
There's
yes,
property and so on. Okay. And the will did appoint you as an independent executor, correct?
Yes.
And there isn't any reason why you should not serve as one.
No.
You're at least 18 years of age and a resident of the state of Texas.
Yes.
You've never been convicted of a crime of moral turpitude or a felony,
No.
and you've never been adjudicated mentally ill or incompetent.
No.
I passed the witness.
I don't have any questions. Call the witness.
Okay, and then, okay, can you see, Your Honor,
Yeah.
can you see him?
Yes.
Okay, please state your name.
Jose Silverio Cepeda Sierra,
And how long did you know Teofila Acosta?
around 25 years.
So you knew her very well,
Yes.
and you've seen her write letters, sign checks, and you've seen her handwriting before.
Yes.
Okay, and I am gonna show you the will. Who is the last will of?
This is Teofila.
Okay, so this is her will. And what is the date of the will on the last page?
It's 20
Yeah, throw it away.
days in September
Okay.
2010.
Okay, and I'm gonna show you her signature. To best of your knowledge, after all the years you've known her, was that her signature?
Yes, that's what Teofila.
Okay, and are you an heir to this estate? Are you one of her heirs? No. So you're not receiving anything from this estate?
No.
And you don't owe the estate any money? Okay,
She
I
needs to
passed the
answer.
witness.
He needs to answer. Sir, you're not receiving anything, right?
No, sir.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I don't have any questions. We have a new person on the Zoom. Sir, raise your right hand. And you need to unmute. Send her the message, Camila.
Yes, sir.
Sir, do you solemnly swear that the testimony you're about to give in this case is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You need to unmute. There's a message there.
I got it. Yes, I do.
Okay, put your hand down. Go ahead, Mr. Consenza.
Yeah, please state your name.
Baltasar Mesta,
And how long did you know Teofila Acosta?
for about 45 years, since about 1975.
And were you familiar, have you seen her signature before on different writings?
Yes,
And I showed you a will that I sent to you that was dated September 28, 2010. Did you review it?
yes, I did.
And you saw on the last page where I showed you her signature. From all your years of experience, would you testify that that was her signature from your experience?
Yes, that is her signature.
And are you an heir to the estate?
No, I am not.
Are you receiving anything from the estate?
No,
Do you owe any money to the estate?
no,
And then I also sent you a proof that of your testimony that you will sign and get back to the court, correct?
correct.
Okay. And I passed the witness, Your Honor.
I don't have any questions.
I rest my case.
All right, Miss Ivan Mesta, let me see her. Ma'am, where do you live, ma'am?
Right now,
Yes.
in Denton, Texas.
Oh, Denton, all right. And you couldn't make it to El Paso, why?
No, because I've been very stressed out and ill, and I don't feel like, traveling.
And you feel ill,
It's because I had the virus,
okay,
yeah, and I
it
just,
impacted you, okay. All right, anything else, Mr. Testa?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm sorry for your loss. First of all, the court, after hearing testimony, will go ahead and admit the copy of the will of Ms. Teofila Acosta into probate and authorize the issuance of letters to you, ma'am. Keep in touch with Mr. Consenza. There's some documents that must be prepared and entered after you sign the oath, and you have 90 days to do that, so don't let the 90 days pass, okay?
thank you so much.
Consenza, thank you.
Thank you. Nice meeting you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right. Here you go.